Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2013 Ford Fusion, and we're going to discuss how you would get inside the vehicle. Say your engine battery is dead and you can't unlock the door because you go ahead and hit the key unlock button and it won't unlock the door because the battery is dead, right? So, and you come to your door and you're like, hey, I can't get in here because there's not a keyhole. We have a key here, but I don't have a keyhole to get in there. So you'll see on the driver's door there is a little hole down here in the bottom, and what you do is you press this up in there and pull it to the back a little bit, and then this cover plate will come off, and now we have what is a keyhole. So you can take your key, put it in, twist the key backward to unlock, and then you can open up the door. So you can do the same thing to lock the car if you needed to, but that's how you unlock the door. And there you go. If your battery was dead. And so then when you're done, and say you've got in, popped the hood, done what you need to do, then you go ahead and put that back on, and that's the process. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.